If you want to disable TalkBack on POCO F7, first thing that you need to know is how to navigate with TalkBack enabled. Most of the gestures that you do with one finger, you have to do with two fingers instead. So for example, if you use gestures for navigation, if you want to go to the home screen, you need to actually do the same gesture but with two fingers instead. So you just swipe from the bottom towards the middle, like so, in order to go to the home screen. If you use buttons for navigation, for example, first you have to select the option that you wish to use. So you can, for example, tap on the home button once in order to select it, or background apps, and then double tap in order to confirm your choice. And as you can see, we have opened background apps, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to close everything. So I'm going to swipe up to close these background apps, and I'm going to use two fingers, of course. You can just tap on the X once and then double tap. Anyway. So now we're going to go to settings. I'm going to show you how to go through the settings. So first we're going to select settings once and then double tap. Now we need to use two fingers in order to scroll down. So we're going to scroll all the way down, select additional settings. So just tap on it once and then double tap. Now we're going to tap on accessibility once and double tap. Tap on vision once and double tap. Tap on TalkBack once and double tap. And then of course we have our TalkBack settings where we need to tap once on this option, use TalkBack, and double tap. Select turn off and double tap. And finally, TalkBack is disabled. You can once again use just one finger to navigate on this phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.